Hi, this is Alvin, and congratulations on joining Slack. This video is actually the first of two really short 90 to 120-second videos that are going to take us to the next step with Slack. The purpose is basically twofold, just to make sure that we have the appropriate Slack apps downloaded and to join the appropriate functional group. And that's what this video will cover. So, getting started, there's a link that I'm going to share with you that's going to take you to the download page if you haven't visited there already. And on the download page, you'll have the option to download the appropriate iOS and Android app and your desktop, Mac, or Windows applications. So you'll click on either one of the appropriate links and it will commence the process of downloading the appropriate app for you. Once you've downloaded the appropriate application and installed them, the next big thing that you'll need to do, and this is where the power of Slack begins, is you'll need to join functional teams. And in Smart Simple, we have 5 functional teams in Slack. The first functional team is the Smart Simple team. You are already associated with this team by joining Slack. Now, you'll need to join at least one other team, and the other teams will include Smart Simple Toronto, Dublin, the Technology Group, and Marketing and Sales. And the process is actually pretty straightforward. You'll visit one of these links, and visiting one of these links will bring up the sign-up page for that team. You'll enter in your Smart Simple email address and you'll hit create an account, and that'll initiate the process of an email being sent to your email address that you'll need to confirm. Once you've confirmed the email address, you'll be taken to a login page where you'll put in your username and your password for the Slack account, and you've registered for the team. So not too difficult to do. Now, what I'm going to also add in this video is how are we going to add that team to your Smart Simple session, and I'm going to do that very quickly right here. We're going to start by just clicking on the Smart Simple team that we have at the top, and we're going to scroll all the way down to sign in to another team. Once we've done that, it's going to ask us for the team that we also want to add to this session, and in this case, let's add the SS Toronto team, and I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to be asked to add my Smart Simple email address, and my password, and I'm going to sign in. And now that I've added the second session to Slack, what we're seeing done is a side panel opens up on the desktop application, and now I can easily switch in between those two teams. And if I wanted to add a third team, I can easily do that same process that I just described. And that's it for the first video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, find me out and let me know. And welcome again to Slack.